Discover untapped investment and market sentiment hiding in plain sight in today's Daily Reddit Insight for August 17th. Reddit stock, bullish options edge. Many retail traders face volatility pain, regret mistimed covered calls, and fear sharp swings. Capture upside by holding core shares, sell cash-secured puts for cheaper entry, add ITM calls for leverage, sized cautiously with prudence. Leaps on hammered blue chips. Investors suffer short-term drawdowns and limited capital when UPS slump. Use 1 to 2 year ATM or slight OTM leaps, allocating 5 to 10% capital for leveraged upside, defined max loss and contrarian long-term recovery gains, extra profits. Ultrashort fund PULS beats cash, bank yields lag, inflation erodes savings, concerns over rate swings, credit exposure, expense drag, shift liquid reserves into low-duration PULS, collect 4.53% SEC yield, enjoy higher returns than CDs, treasuries, maintain liquidity, accept slight volatility. Optimize 401k with options. Requires sizable capital, strict plan rules, high activity, risk vigilance. Allocate 5 to 10% to brokerage window. Sell covered calls on liquid blue-chip dividend stocks. Preserve diversified core for steady growth and incremental income while monitoring risks closely. Tokenized index momentum. Opening Wall Street to blockchain. Pain. Traditional investors lack secure regulated exposure and compliant custody. Chance. Back infrastructure leaders powering tokenization, custody, compliant exchanges, securitization firms, plus core crypto assets BTC, ETH to ride institutional liquidity wave and adoption. Bullish Opendoor YOLO play, housing market uncertain, rising rates, real estate slowdown threaten valuation, options risk total loss, portfolio damage, seize upside by staking 1 to 2% only, buy stock or short-dated calls, target $10 by August breakout for speculative swing trade. Strategic lump sum investing. Cash needed soon for renovation and wedding. Anxious about market risk and liquidity. Seize opportunity by parking majority in high-yield savings or short-term treasuries. Allocate small amount to diversified index ETFs, balancing safety, liquidity, and potential upside. GOOG strategic entry. Bullish investors face dilemma. Capital-heavy shares or time-sensitive 215 SEP26 calls. Risks include time decay, limited duration, conviction level. Capture upside by mixing core shareholding, right covered calls for yield, plus small speculative option for leverage. Long-term investing, property or markets, pain, single rentals, limited cash flow, vacancy risk, upkeep, uncertain 25-year appreciation despite cheap 2.75% loan. Chance, sell or use rent to steadily buy global low-cost index ETFs, gaining diversification, compounding, effort, and tax efficiency.